There are many ways to travel by sea. Some ways are fast, others are slow. Some lead to low emissions to air, others have large environmental impact. Because shipping contributes to a considerable part of global air pollution, stricter requirements are now set on emissions from ships to air. Each ship owner has to limit the sulfur content in the exhaust of the ship. There are two ways of doing this. The first is to use fuel with low sulfur content. The other is to install cleaning equipment, a scrubber. A scrubber is very cost-effective, but necessitates the monitoring of the sulfur content in order to ascertain the scrubber is functioning correctly. And to do this, the best solution is to have an OPSIS System M800 on board. I will now show you and explain why it is the optimal monitoring system for the demanding environment on board a ship, an environment that is challenging for any other monitoring system.
The environment on board a ship is extremely harsh. There are high temperatures, vibrations, noise, tight and confined working areas, and the flue gas in the stack can be highly dusty, wet and corrosive. This places high demands on the monitoring system and can prove to be a challenge for those maintaining it.
Therefore, a monitoring system on board a ship must withstand this tough environment and require very little maintenance, which is exactly what the OPSIS System M800 does. The system is based on a superior non-contact method, which means that an emitter and receiver set creates an optical monitoring path. A light beam is continuously directed through the flue gas. No gas has to be extracted from the stack for analysis purposes, and there are no filters, pumps, heated sample lines, or other sensitive parts that need a lot of maintenance. The light captured by the receiver is sent through an optical fiber to the analyzer, where it is analyzed and all the calculations of gas concentrations are made. The levels of sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and other relevant gases are measured and registered continuously. A single analyzer can monitor the flue gas in up to 10 stacks. The system is characterized by its superior performance and long maintenance interval.
Our clients appreciate that the monitoring system only needs calibration once a year and that it requires a minimum of service and maintenance. They want to operate their ships, not maintain monitoring equipment. One analyzer can measure all relevant gases in up to 10 stacks continuously. This makes the system very cost-effective, and due to the fact that the system does not come into contact with the corrosive flue gases, it is very reliable and accurate.
OPSIS System M800 is tested and certified by a number of international classification bodies. It is the best and most cost-effective system for monitoring sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide on board a ship. System M800 is based on a superior optical non-contact method. A single OPSIS System M800 can monitor all relevant gases and in up to 10 stacks. The system requires very little maintenance and only needs calibration once a year. OPSIS System M800 is the most reliable and accurate system for monitoring emissions from ship engines. Contact OPSIS for more information about OPSIS System M800.